Hello, this is Eric Baird with ReLISTO, Leasing and Property Management for the greater San Francisco Bay Area. We are just walking up to 2860 Brookdale. This is apartment number A, and this is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath unit. Here in this, it's a multi-unit complex with, parking spaces and laundry machines in the building. Here we, as we're scanning the room, we see the living room to the right here. Look at all the electrical outlets, double pane windows. There's window treatments. Amazing opportunity for electrical devices. Here we have a nice sizable area to put a little breakfast table underneath the chandelier for breakfast, nice countertops and electric range with hood. Going through that door in the distance will bring you also to the parking area. Deep sink with garbage disposal, and of course there's a dishwasher. All right, turning around, and we're looking back at the living room and electric heater. Let's look at this closet right here. Great space for linens, storage. Okay, so there's the bathroom, then bedroom number 1. This is a good sized bedroom as well. And you look at onto a little garden area out in back, big closet, tub shower combination here, medicine cabinet, and a very new looking sink. And then here is the second bedroom. Again, window treatments, double pane windows, lots of electrical outlets, and then nice big closet. Just outside the door is the closest laundry machine. There are a couple of machines in the building. So if you're interested in this property, look below. There are links to the website where you'll find information, details about the property, key terms, as well as the showing schedule. So we look forward to hearing from you and showing you the property. All right. Oh, and follow that link and you'll also see where the applications are. I didn't mention, just as a quick note, these are white pine vinyl floors, in case you're interested. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.